Long story short, it was the end of class and my computer sleeve was unzipped, and when I went to take it, well, you know what happens next. Yeah, it sucks. You can imagine how I felt. Well, if you're in a similar situation, the first thing you should probably do is to go contact Asus customer support online, preferably, because it's easier to give them your product serial number, and from then they can tell you your warranty status. If the warranty needed in your situation is still valid, then you're pretty much set up for a free repair besides the shipping cost to send it to them. They'll take care of the return shipping. Once you've figured out that your warranty is good to go, you can then fill out an RMA form, which is a Return Merchandise Authorization form. That can be done with an Asus customer service agent through the live chat, for instance, or you could also fill out the form yourself. I'll leave a link to the website in the description below. After that, you should receive an email with 2 attachments. Be sure to read the instructions and fill out the checklist and then put it in your box. If you want to play it safe, you probably should insure your package. Also make sure it's well packed to avoid damage. Asus recommends 2 inches of padding. Once the facility receives your device, you should be able to view the repair status online. All you have to do is enter the RMA number that you received when you completed the RMA form. I really do think that this is an awesome feature for those who like to know what's happening with their device. You can also see an estimated complete date for your repair. Without including shipping time, the average turnaround time is from 7 to 10 business days, which is pretty good. Do take note that this turnaround time does not apply to devices that have physical damage, such as in my case. Without including shipping, it actually took 17 business days to fix my device. I'll elaborate a little more on how they fixed it a little later. I do want to say that it is possible that your device will be deemed unrepairable, depending on the damage. I've been told by an Asus customer support agent that if that's the case, you will be advised and a replacement device will be issued, usually of the same model. This is also a reason why they ask you to back up your data beforehand. Once the repair is complete, the repair facility will do final testing to make sure that the product is working properly. When your device is sent out for shipping, Asus will send you an email to notify you of that. The online RMA status will also update with tracking number information and the name of the shipping company that they're using. Asus states that their standard shipping method is FedEx Ground, although for some reason they shipped out my package through Purolator Express shipping. Personally, that doesn't bother me because I still receive my computer within 3 days of the repair being complete. In terms of Asus's packaging, I was actually pretty impressed. The box in which my device was shipped in was very sturdy, although a bit too big for my device. Thankfully, this extra space was compensated with this good-sized air cushion in which my computer was resting. A few layers of extra padding were added on each side of the air-inflated cushion to eliminate all movement in the package and to add extra protection. At that point, my device was pretty much unbreakable. Now, when the time came to unbox my Zenbook, I actually thought for a second that they gave me a new computer. That's how much it looked like a brand new device. Now, it turns out that the repair facility replaced every part on the outside of the computer. That would be including the keyboard, the screen, and the whole casing. Now, thankfully for me, this repair left all of my files intact, which is really awesome. Overall, the Asus RMA repair process is very well thought out, organized, and professional, allowing it to be very smooth on the customer's side. Now, in terms of the repair itself, done on my notebook, it was very well executed and to the point that I would pretty much think that my device came straight out of the store. That's how much it looked like a brand new device. And all of that for the price of 40 Canadian dollars for insured shipping to the repair facility, which in my opinion is a really good deal for this kind of repair. Also, don't forget that all of this is under my experience with the RMA facility here in Canada. Also, if you want to avoid getting into a similar situation like me, I definitely recommend getting a computer sleeve that will add protection to your device and also enhance its portability. Now, just get into the habit of always zipping it to be sure that you don't get into any accidents. I'll leave an Amazon link in the description below. If you still have more questions and would like a customer point of view, you can ask those to me in the comments section down below. If they're technical, Asus customer support could also answer them. If I've helped you out in one way or another, I'd appreciate that you show that to me by liking the video. And if you have any interest in the notebook featured in today's video, I've actually made a review video on it, so you can go check that out. Have a good day.